In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much money you can transfer online with Lloyds Bank. If you're using the Lloyds mobile app or internet banking for a standard UK payment, the typical daily limit is around £25,000. That covers most day-to-day transfers like paying a tradesperson, sending money to family, or moving funds to another bank you use in the UK. When you type in the amount, you'll usually see a prompt if you're close to your limit, so you'll know right away whether the payment can go through in one go. For international payments made online, the limit is usually higher. In many cases, you can send up to £100,000 per day. That gives you some flexibility for larger overseas transfers. Keep in mind that international payments can involve extra factors like the destination country, the receiving bank, and exchange rates, which may influence processing times and checks, even if the limit itself allows the amount. Transfers between your own Lloyds accounts are generally unrestricted. That means you can move larger amounts internally if you need to shift money between, say, your current account and your savings. These internal moves are typically straightforward and are designed to help you manage your own balances without running into the same daily caps that apply to external payments. Your actual limits can vary. They may depend on your specific account type, how long you've banked with Lloyds, and the security profile on your account. Sending money to a brand new payee can also trigger extra checks or slightly lower caps at first. This is normal and helps protect against fraud. If you see a verification prompt or a security warning, follow the on-screen instructions and allow a bit of extra time. If you need to send more than your daily limit, there are options. Lloyds may allow a higher amount after additional verification, and for very large transfers, arranging the payment in a branch is often the most reliable route. It's a good idea to plan ahead for big moves, especially if they're time sensitive, so you can complete any necessary checks without rushing. If your payment isn't urgent, another simple approach is to split the amount across multiple days to stay within your online limits. And that's the overview of how much you can transfer online with Lloyds Bank. Roughly £25,000 per day for most UK payments, higher limits for international transfers, and generally no cap for moving money between your own Lloyds accounts. Now you know what to expect and how to plan your transfers with confidence.